Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Interactive Brokers and TradeStation or TradeStation Global to see which one is better for your trading needs. So we will be looking at the fees, the trading tools, the account types, and everything you need to know before choosing. So let's dive in. So for the user interface and experience, Interactive Brokers, it has powerful but can feel complex for beginners. For TradeStation, it has cleaner interface and it is easier for new traders. Now, for the fees and commissions, for interactive brokers, it has low commissions, tiered pricing, and some hidden fees. For TradeStation, it has competitive fees and simpler pricing and some high spreads on small trades. For trading tools and features, for interactive brokers, it has advanced charting, research, and algo trading. And for TradeStation, it has excellent charting and strategy testing and slightly fewer research tools. For account types and minimums, for interactive brokers, it has multiple account types and some minimum balances required. For TradeStation, it has similar account options and more beginner-friendly minimums. Now, for the customer support and resources, for interactive brokers, it has strong support and extensive online resources. And for TradeStation, it has good support and active trader community. Now, for the pros and cons. For interactive brokers, it is best for advanced traders, lower fees, but steeper learning curve. Now, for the TradeStation, it is easier for beginners. It has great tools and but slightly higher costs. So, which one should you pick? If you're an advanced trader looking for low fees and powerful tools, then Interactive Brokers is your choice. But if you prefer a cleaner interface and an easier setup, then TradeStation Global might be better for you. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope this comparison was helpful. And if it was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.